Assalamualaikum and good evening. My name is Nur Ashira binti Abdul Malik, matric number A1C80490. I will present about the introduction and transportation. Logistics is planning, execution, control of procurement, movement and stationing of personnel, materials and other resources to achieve the objective of a campaign, plan, project and strategy. In logistics, we need to follow 7 right. The first one is right product, right condition, right cost, right place, right time, right quantity and right customer. Transportation is any device used to move an item from one location to another location. Transportation also can be defined as actual physical movement of goods and people between 2 points. In logistics, there were 5 types of transportation, which are air, motor carriers, water, pipeline, and rail. DHL company use air and motor carrier as their transportation. The first one is air mode. Air mode transportation is a medium of DHL company to deliver the product or goods to others country. Air mode have the carriers or shipper right duties. The first is right and obligation of the airline. The second is right and obligation of the shipper. DHL choose air mode because the air mode is quick service. The disadvantage of use air mode is risky. Then the operation cost is higher than other transportation. In the DHL company, they can carry perfume, aerosol and cash. The second is road modes. Road transports means transportation of goods and personnel from one place to other place on road. DHL company use van, truck and motorcycle as their main transportation. DHL company are able to access any road in Malaysia. This is because the infrastructure in Malaysia have been increased from time to time. DHL company facing problem with their competitors such as Post Laju, GDEC and others. In business, competitor being the measurement of the company's performance.
Assalamualaikum, I'm Dhl Logistic number A1C80654. For this assignment, I will present about the customer service. Always listen to the customer. Working in the customer service department, it requires the staff to always listen to the customer. They need to give the attention on what the customer said because they will complain about they are not satisfied on their company. The staff need to know how to solve the problem. For the DHL, what the customer said, they need to make it an improvement for their company. But they need to always convince their customer by giving the good answer. Friendly and personable service. The real person instead of robot operator can change the customer perception toward the company. Most of the customers prefer to speak with real person. In DHL, the staff is very friendly. They know how to please their customer and they also know that when the customer speaks, it's better to listen to them because it can prevent the miscommunication. The third one is to know about the service and product. It is a regulatory for the customer to know what the product in the company. When the customers ask about it, they need to know how to explain to the customer. The frontline staff need to know and better in handling the customer complaint. In DHL, they will give the training to help staff to know more about their company, and it also can help to convince the customer when they answer the customer complaint. Fast service. When working at the customer service department, the staff need to respond quickly to their customer. It is because the customer don't like to wait. For For the HL company, they will need service as soon as possible. It is to avoid the customer to wait so long to be respond. This can help to please the customer and also can help to solve the customer problem. This also can help the customer to have an ongoing relationship with their brand. Is work as a team. It is easier for them when they work together. In the HL company, they will train their staff to work as a team in an organization. When they work together, the problem or issue will be able to be solved. For example, when a person in charge is busy, the other staff will help. So the process of the production can be worked as well as they work.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Fatin Hanisa binti Muhammad Shahrudin. My metric number A16B1189 and I will present about warehouse management. Warehouse management refers to the different of a procedure identified with keeping up and controlling a business distribution center. It goes through every step of procedure from start to finish and typically overseen by warehouse management. A warehouse management system is a piece of programming that controls, records and mechanizes different distribution center activities. The objective is to expand the general profitability and proficiency of business warehousing activities. DHL Supply Chain has introduced a standardized warehouse management system across its operations globally to further improve accuracy and individual product availability for its customers. They improving the ability to synchronize and optimize efficiency in the warehouse, and the workforce will empower DHL to keep on driving the route in gathering the undeniably complex global supply chain challenge faced by their clients each day. There are few systems that they use to manage their inventories at the warehouse. Firstly, they will use enterprise resource planning (ERP) software. ERP is software that integrates all departments and functions across a company onto a single computer system that can serve all different departments' particular needs. It allows DHL to link with all levels such as supply chain management, financial application, HR management, and customer service management. It is internationally standardized process which can reduce the number of changes of information in logistics. Next is they use barcode system. It is located on all of consumer goods and it is optical and electronically readable representation of information that consists of various wide of parallel lines and spaces. There are three types of barcodes, which are 2D codes, 3D codes, and 4D codes. DHL track, trace, and record the stock receipts within a mature supply chain, and it reduces inventories and improves data quality. Last but not least, in DHL warehousing, they also use RFID technology. It partially like the barcode, which is the provision of information about a product, pallet, or entire inventories. Everything is done by radio waves, with which DHL apply this system in its warehouse. It allows DHL warehouse activities contactless scanning of goods once the shipment passes a gate.
Okay, for the material handling. Material handling is a movement, protection, storage, and management of materials and products throughout producing, storage, distribution, consumption, and disposal. Okay, for the DHL they are using a modern movement, which is mobile robots. It is a move between a distribution center, such as leasing lift trucks. Next, they are using the glass rather than paper of RI scanning, which is as the quick access device in multimodal solutions. In a conventional pick-to-chart solution, an operator is picking an item. It is across up to 12 toes on the chart and then moving to the next item to pick up. And furthermore, DHL is deploying 56 robots to pick up 18,000 orders a day, which is an and automation to a picker. Associates stay in their space of device zone. Meanwhile, free agents that are directed by the warehouse management, multiple robots will swarm into a desired zone. Okay, next, DHL also using planning principle, which is first of all is follow me. Follow me is collaborative machine-driven order choosing involving an automated chart virtually resembling a child wagon with slot on the highest for cartons. Once all of the cartons are picked for the chart, the choosers send it automatically to the pack station and wait for the subsequent robotic chart to obtain the pick zone. Second is lead me. Lead me is the mobile machinist is integrated into WMS and appointed to a picker. This way, the machinist lead the picker from the pick location to select location, displaying the team and amount to be picked to the machinist at every location. Thirdly, swarm me. Swarm me is developed with Locus Robotic Detach, the mobile robot from the picker, who for the former's have a point to a zone. Robot receive order from the WMS and visit the site locations whenever a close by picker sees a task on the robot screen and pick to the robot tools. And next is Holy Grail. Holy Grail is the ultimate resolutions. The Holy Grail could be a mobile machinist with picking capability, like those being offered by imrobot.com.
Next, I will explain about the packaging. DHL will do everything that can ensure that the customer packages are always delivered on time and in a great condition. Customer needs to package the product with the appropriate material in a right way. It can help to ensure that the packaging is safely arrive and stay intact. DHL provide many types of packaging suppliers for the external and internal packaging material. First, external packing material can be divided by two. There is box. There are 8 types of boxes with the different weight limit, size, and bursting test, such as box 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the express tube. Second, envelopes and flyers, such as envelope 1, standard flyers, and large flyers. Second is internal packing material, such as bubble wrap, airbags, cardboard, foam, peanuts, or pellets. It is important to completely fill the empty space in the box to avoid the content from moving during the transit. This is because it can cause damage to both contents and the box. Okay, for the packing method, DHL using the most suitable packing method by depend on the customer choose the type of box for package. First, basic from packing method, which is the content is placed in the box fills with the void that to prevent item from moving during the transit. Second, box in the box method, which is fill the second outer box to offer additional protection. Third is the liquid and powders. Liquid and powders are classified as a dangerous goods and need to be taken carefully when to transport it. Next, for the packing seal. Packing seal is to help to protect the customer's package during transport, such as hash taping. Hash taping is the quickest and easiest way to seal a box, and it can help to reduce tape waste. First, strip of tape along the center box and strip of tape again across both edges boxes. Second, strapping. Strapping, which is the process of applying a strap to an item to combine or fasten it. But DHL not always use this seal if the item is not weighed more than 30 kilograms, because it can damage the package if the item weight is less.
As the conclusion, for DHL transportation, in DHL company use two mode, which is air mode and road mode. Other than that, for warehouse of DHL are used enterprise resources planning (ERF), RFID technology, robotic and automations, Internet of Things, and review traffic plans. Furthermore, DHL provide many type of packaging suppliers for the external and internal packaging materials. DHL use the modern movement of material handling. Lastly, for customer service, DHL always implement the method of always smile to customers, friendly and personable service, know about the service and make fast delivery.